So boys and girls, you guys did such a great job last week coloring, and now you're going to start to finish up if you haven't already. Some things you want to make sure that you're staying in the lines and making sure that your colors, your markers aren't dying. Also, please don't start to get creative by putting little lines and shapes and things. Just like this person did here, they've done a great job. They've stayed in their lines. It's going to look really sharp. They just need to finish. Now today I'm very excited that when you finish, that I'm going to start introducing some things to you using our iPads. Now today when you sit down, when you finish, I'm going to set you up with an iPad. You'll always keep it flat on the table so that I can see it and anyone else can see what you're up to. And the first thing you're going to be doing is pressing the camera button so that you can take a photo of your finished artwork. You'll notice that the camera is on the back, and sometimes it's kind of hard to remember where the camera is, so we've put a little dot in the corner of the iPad so that you can see where the camera is. Now, when you go to take your picture, you're not going to be like whipping around your iPad all over the place. No, you're going to be standing over top of it to get the perfect photo. If we look here at Miss Nicole, this is not how you want to take a picture. Neither is this. Do you see how tilted it is and how far away she is, how she has tablecloths showing? Now she's right on, but oh, now she's getting too close. No, Miss Nicole, pull back. So now she's right up on top of it. It's centered in there, and all she has to do is press the little white button on the side, and when you see that little flicker, that means that it is saved to the camera roll. So now we're going to have you press the home key, and you're going to use this app called Imaengine. It's for images. It's an engine that will change images, and you're going to love it. You're going to be able to take the art that you made, and you're going to be able to manipulate it so that it looks different, like super different. So the first thing you'll press is Import Photo. It looks like a mountain. Then you'll press All Photos. You'll select the picture you took, and then down there on the corner was an arrow. And down there, then you're going to be in the app where you can make all these different changes to it. I encourage you to move around all those sliders and to get a version of your artwork that you think is awesome. When you're ready to commit to it and you like it, you're going to press the arrow pointing up. It says Share. You're going to make sure the setting is on number 1. And then the white rectangle on the bottom that says JPEG to camera roll, you'll click on that. You'll notice that for a split second it said done. When you see that, you're done. It's saved to the camera roll. And the way you make more changes is just to touch the screen and start fiddling around with it even more. And I'd really encourage you to make 3 or 4 or 5 saves of ones that look really, really different from each other, where you are using different colors, maybe one in black and white, stuff like that. Once you're done with that, we're going to be telling you to save it to Artsonia, which means that you'll be pressing the home key, going to Artsonia, typing in your name. Don't type in your last name. It makes it too complicated. Even if you put in the first 3 or 4 letters of your name, it's going to start giving you matches, and you find the match that's the closest to who you know you are in your grade level. And you're going to be able to see all your art from all the years. But the first thing you're going to do is say Add Art. You're going to select Imaengine because that's the app that you learned how to use today. And then you're going to have this. You're going to press Import, Camera Roll, Recently Added. Come on, touch it. There you go. Beautiful. And the very first ones that show up will be ones that you have just done in Imaengine. When we crop it, please always remember to press that little square tool. Then all you have to do is drag the rectangle there to the corner, pull on the other corner to select the whole thing. And from here, you're just clicking buttons. Submit, then skip, skip. And when you see the orange letters on the bottom, you know you're done. It's in Artsonia. But I'd like you to save some more, some different ones. So all you have to do is press the home key, or to say home and add art, and then you'll just do it all over again. Import, get it from the camera roll, recently added, find a different one. I love that peachy one there. that's totally different. Oh, this one looks kind of like a geographical map, topographical. So I'm doing that. This time I'm trying out the magic wand key to see if I like how it changes the colors. But you'll just continue to submit these into Artsonia. And here's what I meant as far as pressing home. And now you can see that you already have 2 in. I want you to get 1 more. Add art, Imaengine, import, camera roll, recently added. And now we have the peachy one. And you get the idea. Have fun.